Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking super easy black pepper beef rice using rice cooker. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll start to dry roast our coarse black pepper. Turn the heat to medium-low. Add in 1 tablespoon of coarse black pepper and add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Slowly fry them, mix them up well. We know it's done when we can smell the aroma of the black pepper. Remember to use medium-low or low heat. Move them around. If the pan is too hot, turn it down a little. This step is crucial because we want the black pepper taste to be really good. Now, of course, if you prefer it a little bit more peppery, you can use a little bit more black pepper. Move them around, don't burn them. Okay, I can smell them now. Now we'll turn off the flame and remove them from the heat. And I'll show you the next step after this. Now we'll put the dish together. I'm using my rice cooker to cook everything. Now we'll add in 2 cups of raw jasmine rice. I've washed and rinsed this. The cups that I'm using is actually the cup that comes with the rice cooker. It's approximately 267 grams for 2 cups. Pour everything in. Add in 100 grams of corn. I'm using those corn that comes in a can. You can use frozen corn, no problem at all. Pour everything in. 120 grams of diced carrots. Put everything in. Add in slightly less than 2 cups of water. Using the same cup that I measure the rice with. This is a total of 260 milliliters of water. Pour them in. Now I'm using lesser water because later the beef, the onions, they have moisture and they will add liquid to the rice. This is optional. Add in half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. This will enhance the flavor. The black pepper salt that we used just now, put in half of this. The other half we'll use them and spread it over the beef later. Approximately half will be fine. Put it in. Add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This will give the rice a very beautiful dark hue. Mix everything up. This is a very easy and delicious way to cook this beautiful black pepper beef rice. Spread them out evenly. Next, we'll add in 1 whole yellow onion, sliced thinly like this. If you do not have yellow onion, you can use white onions or red onions, no problem. Just spread them all over the rice. All these are going to give the rice a very natural sweetness. Next, we'll add in 300 grams of sliced Wagyu beef. I'm using those that are suitable for shabu shabu or sukiyaki, very thinly sliced like this. If you do not take beef, you can always use pork, chicken, no problem. Put everything in. Spread them out a little bit. You can use your hand, it's okay, no problem. But of course, you need to wash your hands first. Once this is done, what we need to do next is just the rest of the black pepper and salt, we just spread them over the beef. This is just to give a little bit flavor to the beef. Once we are done with this, just close the cover. Switch the menu to jasmine rice. And we'll cook this just like how you would with normal rice. I'll see you back in a while. My rice is done already. Let's have a look. Smells very good. Look at this, how pretty it is. Now we just need to add in 20 grams of butter, unsalted butter. Put everything in. Spread a bunch of chopped spring onions. Mix them up well. This is going to be so good. Look at how pretty this is. A very simple and delicious one pot. Now all we have to do is just give this a try and season as how you like it to be. I'm just going to add in another teaspoon of salt. Mix them up again. And now it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells absolutely delicious. Oh. You have this very beautiful peppery taste, the sweetness from the corn, the onions, the carrots. This is really, really delicious and it's super easy too. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, very nice.